And I know they really wish we would fall till we fall. I'm the big bad wolf, there's a full moon, y'all.
What's up, guys? Teach from Duke City Kicks here, coming at you guys with another video. Today what I have here is going to be reviewing on foot of the brand new Cortez Kenny 4 and the house shoe colorway. These shoes retail for $100, and to just get right into it like I always do, I'm going to just take a quick look at the box. The box that you get is going to be a black on black Nike Swoosh box, and the size tag here is going to say Cortez Kenny 4 and a size 12. The colors that are incorporated, of course, as you guys can see, are white, thunder blue, wolf gray, and orange on this shoe. Taking a first look, right out of the box, as you guys can see, we have a white fabric upper that is detailed with some orange stitching on the upper with an orange accent on the midsole. I think what makes a big statement though, however, is going to be this thunder blue swoosh that is on the outside of the shoe that wraps around here to the back. Now on the back we have a little bit of detailing here with the white Nike printed on the back of the thunder blue fabric here. And what's weird is this looks like these would be the laces that would be on the shoe. These are some orange laces that are incorporated into the back of the shoe with this button, like this lock button that slides up and down. Nothing, you can't really take this out. I mean, I guess if you cut it out you could, but I think this is a really cool feature. Again, we have a wolf gray panel that goes all the way through the back of the shoe, and then now we're on to the inside. And the inside is nothing crazy as the outside. Again, I like how they, instead of doing the thunder blue swoosh to do the inside, they actually started out with some orange stitching. So it's really cool. It's two different sides, which I thought was a really cool feature. Taking a look at the toe box, nothing special here. We just have another wolf gray panel here at the front. And then now we're going to move on to the main feature of this shoe, which is going to be the Laceless System. So this is a slip-on shoe. This is the first time that I've seen a Cortez without a lace system, which I think is very unique, hence why Kendrick Lamar chose to do a slip-on and why he dubbed this shoe to be the house shoe. So taking a look at the tongue, as you guys could already see, we have a wolf gray tongue. This takes up a good part of the upper, to be honest with you guys, but when you take a look, we have this orange stripe that's stitched in, and we have the words house shoe printed on this. I think this is a really cool feature, and what I also find really cool is you guys could see here, if I could zoom in on it a little bit, what we have here is we have the standard Nike swoosh that is stitched on, and it actually goes on the back, on the inside, excuse me, focus in on that. It goes on the inside of like every Cortez, but what's cool is that this orange stripe is stitched over it. So I think this is a really cool concept that Nike did and Kendrick Lamar both did to the shoe. It just gives more detailing to the shoe. I think my favorite part, however, is actually going to be on the inside of the shoe. So if I take out the incorporated paper that's in it, as you guys can see, we actually have, it looks like a quilted insole, and it actually is. It's stitched in and everything. Let me focus in on that if we can. As you guys can see, we just have a black Nike swoosh, but this insole is actually a stitched quilted insole, which is, I think, a really cool feature. But taking a look on the inside here, it's kind of hard to pick up, but it says Nike Cortez preferably wear with shorts and tall socks. So the whole idea of this is to give that whole Californian vibe, especially since Kendrick Lamar is from LA. I think this is a really cool shoe to pretty much exemplify that in something like a house shoe. So with all the features that we've gone over, with going over all the features on this shoe, let's go ahead and do an on foot and wrap this video up. Okay guys, so now that you guys have seen a quick on foot and a review of the Nike Cortez Kenny 4 in the house shoe colorway, I truly think this shoe would go good with either some sweats or some jeans. I'm not too sure how the shorts theme would work out, but I'll see when I try it out. If you guys like this shoe, go ahead and comment a thumbs up down below if you guys have watched all the way through. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly content. This is T signing out, guys. Peace!